Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to edit nodes in Inkscape in 2026, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how to control shapes, adjust curves, and create clean vector designs. First, open Inkscape and select the object you want to edit. Nodes only appear on vector paths, not normal images. Next, choose the node tool from the left toolbar. This tool lets you edit every point of your shape. Now click and drag nodes to change the shape. Moving nodes allows you to reshape your design easily. After that, use the handles attached to nodes to adjust curves. You can create smooth or sharp edges depending on your design. Next, add new nodes by double-clicking on a path or remove unnecessary nodes. This helps simplify your design structure. Now convert nodes into smooth, corner, or symmetric types. This gives you full control over how curves behave. After that, use the simplify option to reduce too many nodes. This makes your path cleaner and easier to work with. Finally, practice by editing simple shapes like icons, letters, or basic objects. The more you practice, the more professional your control becomes. So yeah, that's how you edit nodes in Inkscape in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to control vector shapes like a pro. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Inkscape tutorials for beginners.